We are now going to demonstrate how we test the tightness of the sleeve of our part of our system. I would ask Ezekiel to install the other pump on the desk jig around the sleeve so we can pressurize it. Please, Zeke. Okay. As you can see, the sleeve is loose, just assembled. That's not welded. We are now ready to proceed with the hydrostatic test or tightness test of the sleeve. This is a pair of 6 inches Scadley 80 pipe. The yield strength of this pipe allows us to pressurize it. If you keep to the 90% limit, it will be around 280 bar. 100% of yield strength will be 320 bar. So again, this pipe is just the 2 pumps and the sleeve, no weld, nothing, just a mechanical assembly. And then we are going to test it, to pressurize it. Kilo. Left. 293, 300. Well, I don't like to be funny, but I think that we just have another way of building pipelines. Have an anchor block and use our sleeve. Use LPS sleeve, and that's it. Do not need to weld.
Cuidado.
You can have a closer look. Of course, it will be very difficult to extract this sleeve from these two pumps right now, because it should have been pressure formed under more than 300 bar. That's, as we say here, this is an insane pressure. It's not the kind of pressure that you see in your everyday pipeline. But yes, the LPS sleeve, LPS system can withstand this pressure without leaking, without letting water pass or fluid contact the parent pipe at the weld area.